Anyone with a shutting pet knows this sound. You try to quickly clean the couch, and within seconds, thick fur wraps so tightly around the brush roll that the motor just chokes and dies. At that point, the cleaning stops and the manual labor begins. You're stuck sitting on the floor with a pair of scissors, trying to hack through mats of hair just to get the machine spinning again. This is the standard handheld experience. The primary frustrations are brushes that choke on fur and suction so weak it just pushes dirt around. Even emptying the bin means reaching in to pull out tangled hair, leaving your hands covered in dust. It's a cycle of buying generic vacuums that simply aren't equipped for the toughest, highest friction job in a pet-friendly home. The Shark UltraCyclone CH951 is positioned as a solution. It's a mid-tier premium handheld, weighing under 3 pounds, and it currently holds a top spot for overall performance in its category. But there is a significant catch. Shark built this specifically for high-power bursts, which means it dies fast. You only get 10 minutes of runtime. Once you hit that 10-minute limit, the vacuum requires a 4-hour charge before it's ready to go again. For most shoppers looking for a versatile appliance, that 10-minute window is a point of concern. It creates a constant worry that the machine will quit before the job is actually done. Our goal today is to see if prioritizing raw power over battery life is a trade-off that actually works for most people, or if it makes a $99 vacuum too limited for daily use. Inside, an 80-watt motor drives dual cyclonic air streams. As the arrows show, this spiraling air keeps debris away from the filter. This draws high power to ensure suction remains at 100% strength from minute 1 until it shuts off. For pet owners, the real draw is this self-cleaning brush roll. Notice the rigid blue plastic comb stripping hair off the bristles. A lab tester used the brush for 4 weeks with a shedding golden retriever, confirming no manual maintenance or scissors were required. By pairing fade-free suction with a brush that cleans itself, Shark is offering a machine that trades long run times for a maintenance-free experience. Daily cleanup is handled by the Clean Touch Dirt Ejector. It's a 2-step process. You push a single button, the trapdoor opens, and the debris drops out immediately. Because the debris drops straight down, you don't have to reach into the bin to pull out tangled clumps, which keeps your hands clean. The vacuum comes with 3 main tools: the motorized pet brush, a crevice tool, and a scrubbing brush. However, as this red warning banner notes, several users have reported the plastic at the nozzle attachment point cracking over time with heavy use. While the operation is fast and efficient, the chassis requires careful handling. It's a specialized tool for specific tasks, not a rugged piece of equipment for rough use. Let's talk about the 10-minute limit. On paper, that sounds like it wouldn't be enough to finish even a single chore, but the testing tells a different story. Because the suction is so high, detailing a standard car interior only takes about 5 minutes. Cleaning a flight of carpeted stairs takes 4 minutes, and pulling embedded fur off a couch takes about 3. The high pickup speed means you aren't spending as much time hovering over the same spot, which helps the battery go further. For quick spot cleaning and the specific tasks this was built for, the evidence suggests that 10 minutes is generally sufficient to get through the job. To see where the value lies, we compared it to the Black & Decker Fur Buster. Both cost about $100, but the Fur Buster claims nearly triple the runtime. This table shows exactly what you're choosing between. You can have the 10-minute high-power burst of the Shark or the 29-minute runtime of the Fur Buster. However, the Shark gets an A+ for pet hair because of its motorized brush. If you don't have pets, the $50 Dust Buster on the right is a better value. It's half the price, but lacks the motorized brush needed for embedded fur. The $99 Shark isn't necessarily overcharging. It's simply putting all its resources into suction power rather than battery endurance. The filter is washable, keeping ongoing costs at 0. The built-in lithium-ion battery is the main concern, degrading after 2 to 3 years. Shark's 2-year warranty explicitly excludes the battery. One quick tip: keep that filter clean, as a dirty filter causes motor overheating. Overall, satisfaction with this vacuum depends on viewing it as a specialized 3-year appliance, rather than a long-term investment meant to last a decade. So, who is this for? Skip it if you need to clean multiple rooms at once or vacuum large rugs. But if you own shedding pets, detail your car often, or just want to handle quick messes instantly, this is a strong fit. Our final score is an 8.5 out of 10, balancing a high 9.5 for pet hair pickup against a 5 for battery life. Despite the short runtime, its raw power makes it one of the most effective handhelds specifically for pet owners. The Shark CH951 is a specialized tool for users who prioritize a fast, zero-maintenance finish over a long runtime. It remains a highly effective choice.